Hello Laravel developers, hope you are doing great. Everyone is talking about AI things. So I thought to play with AI using our Laravel framework. So I'm going to use Claude AI, which is the competitor of ChatGPT, and I will use, as usual, our beloved framework, which is Laravel. At the end, we have achieved this thing. Backend At the backend, we are using Laravel, and for AI, we are using Claude AI. So basically, this is the content area where the user will give some content, and he will have these options uh, from which he can select one, like he if he wants to improve the content, summarize content, analyze content. Okay, so let's play with it. What will happen? I have a text here, and I will select the improve content for it. And I have written I am a Laravel developer. I'm not afraid of AI. Okay, so let's process it. Okay, this is the result. Okay, so and so here is the result for it. Now let's change our option. Let's summarize this. And I don't think so. It's a long text which can be summarized. So if we copy this and put it here, and we ask for summarize, so this is the summary. Okay, and let's select our third option, analyze the content. Done, 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 done. Yeah, here is the analyze of our input, and here is the response from Claude AI. So let's move to the coding area, how all this has been done. So here is my VS code. Basically, we have two routes. This is our welcome page, and this is our area which get loaded on content assistant, and this view is returned. And in our content assistant blade, we have basically a form which gets submitted. This is our text area, and then this is our drop down which have these three options, and finally we have this submit button. Okay, and after the submit, we are displaying the result in this area. I have used JavaScript, simple JavaScript for it, and here we are just listening to the submit event, and on the submit event we are sending a response to the backend, and then displaying that response in our this area. Okay, and rest there is nothing special in it. So let's see our controller where we are sending this post. Method is post. You can see uh, here is our content assistant controller. Basically we are passing our Anthropic API here via constructor, and this is our base URL. We have passed our Anthropic API key in our env file. We are just validating the content here, and then our task, which should be in these options. Okay, then we are getting the request from the input. Here is our prompt, which is basically an array, and here we are preparing our prompt. In the case of improve, we are asking You are a content improvement assistant. Enhance the following text while maintaining its core message. Blah blah blah. Here is summarize and analyze thing. Here we have used HTTP facade of Laravel with headers, and here we are sending the post request to the claude. Okay, here is our messages using the role as a user, and here we are passing our content. After, if we get the successful response, we are converting it to JSON, and then we are storing that response in our table AI response, passing original content, task type, and AI response, and then we are returning that response to the front end. Okay, if we get some error, we are doing this thing and we are catching the exception using this thing. Okay, here is our simple model which have these protected fillable fields. I have shown the web already, and here is our migration for AI responses. Simple text field, string text, etc. Okay, nothing special. Let's go to our database to verify the records. So here was our original content, here was task type, and here is the AI response, which model is used, and date, etc. So in this way we have used Claude AI using our Laravel framework. So guys, if you liked the content of the video, please give it a like. That will motivate me for the new videos. Thank you. Bye bye.